This time, I'm playing Clash of Clans, and if you're wondering why I have so many walls around the base, first reason that I have like this, giant around here, is because I just accidentally got my walls. Second reason, I'm trying to make it so they can't place anything anywhere on the base. In this video, I'm probably going to be more of this is pretty much like the equivalent of they try to get them from Clash Royale. But recently a leak just appeared on my page, and if you find out, then it'll get you to a video.